I've got my main fabric here, and I chose a whole bunch of coordinating ones to go with it. I think geometric and polka dots are kind of the running theme. I've got these really cute lemons here. I've got my template here of my hexagon. This is about the size. It's going to be a little bit smaller, but this is about a good size. And I am going to cut, I think I need 6 pieces per coaster, plus one on the bottom. I think I need 7 pieces per coaster. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a whole bunch of these pieces, probably 2 of each of these fabrics, and then I'll figure out exactly how many I need as I go along. But come with me and I'm going to make this set of coasters. All right, we cut these out. So I've got a whole bunch of hexagons here. And I'm going to do 2 different patterns. So one requires 3 designs on the front and one requires 6 designs. So I did cut 2 of these. These are the only ones I cut more than 2 of. I cut 4 of these. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by laying one of our fabrics face up. I'm going to use this one right here. And then we're going to take another hexagon. We're going to fold it flat side to flat side. So go ahead and fold it in half. We are going to lay it on our bottom piece. All right, then we're going to just start layering these fabrics around. I'm going to do this one. And only turn it one time. So this one is on here, and then I'm going to lay this and turn it once. Let's get another one of these pretty lemon colors and layer that on. We're layering a lot of fabrics, so we're going to be sewing through quite a bit of fabrics, but that's okay. It's going to work out really well. Should have pulled this little guy up. All right. Then the last one, I think we're going to use this gray. Slide that under both. All right, that's how it should look. So we're going to put a few pins through here to hold everything in place. Before you pin, just make sure to match up all the corners. Now that we have them all pinned on there, we're going to go ahead and start. I think it's going to be easier to go from the back side and go 1/4 of an inch all the way on every side, all the way around, going back to where you started. Here it is, sewn all the way around. You can see on the back side, we've got all 4 corners. What we're going to do is we now get to trim this up. So some of them are hanging over a little bit, and then we're going to trim every single point, every corner. We're going to make sure that we don't trim over what we've sewn, but we're going to trim right next to it. And this will make our points lay down a little bit flatter. Once that is done, this is how it's going to look, and we are going to flip it inside out by just opening this up. Then it's just a matter of getting all the points folded over. And there you go, you have a coaster. I think this is so cute. Couple different things you could do. I'm definitely going to iron it to get it to lay flat a little bit better. And then you could sew around 1/4 of an inch from the edge just to make sure that it's nice and secure. But I think I'm going to leave mine just as is. I'm going to show you the next one that you can make using just 3 different colors instead of all 6. I'm going to start with a plain solid one. We're going to go ahead and do this yellow. I'm going to use one of these, fold it flat side to flat side. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and use this fabric. And instead of putting it like this, with only one little slice is showing, I'm going to turn it and put it here so that 2 slices are showing. Lay that flat, and then we just need one more. I'm trying to think which I like better, either the white or the yellow or the green or blue or even the gray. I think I'm going to actually go with the gray for this one. Fold that, and now I'm going to put it, let me see, right, okay, like this, and then it's going to go under this one. That's it. The pattern sometimes is a little tricky to figure out, but here we go. And that's how you make the same coaster pattern, except with only 3 hexagons instead of 6. So let's go ahead and pin these down. Make sure all these corners line up. All right, now we're going to do the same step that we did. We're going to turn this over and then sew 1/4 of an inch all the way around. Next, we get to trim these points. Go to the middle and flip it inside out. Ah, I love the way that looks. All right, and there is your second coaster. So you can see you can make it either way, one with 6 different colors, one with 3 different colors. You can do a variation. I'm going to make a whole stack of these, and how cute would that be for a housewarming gift or a small gift when you're short on time. So I'm definitely going to make a few more to finish this set, and I hope you get some good ideas.